Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. So today I am sharing with you a recipe which has no sugar. The sugar sweetness just comes from in the natural form. It is gluten free. You do not require even a blender to make this cake. So it's super easy to make. It's an oats chocolate banana cake. And in the end, I'm also going to do a taste test to see the final verdict of this cake. But trust me, you have to give this cake a chance. So let me show you how I made this super soft chocolate banana cake. Also, this cake is my post workout snack. It's super healthy also and it really tastes good. So first in a bowl I have taken two bananas and then I'm going to mash the bananas. So mash them till it's completely soft. Once that is done, you can see my bananas are mashed. I am using flax eggs. If you want, you can use regular eggs, is fine. So I take my flaxseed powder, add 3 tablespoons of warm water in it and keep it aside for some time. After that, I add it to my banana mixture. Then after that, what I'm going to do is I am going to add my oats flour into it. So you can take your regular oats also and just grind it. I prefer to use oats flour which are from store bought. Then you add your cocoa powder and I added a little bit of baking soda. Then chop chocolates in it. You can even add nuts, that's up to you. Now you keep mixing it. So if you find that even after mixing the batter, it's not like cake batter, you can add a little bit of milk. I have used plant-based milk, but you can add little bit of milk or water to get the consistency right. Now in a cake tin which I lined with parchment paper, I'm pouring the batter. The batter is going to be thicker, it's not going to be really thin, so keep that in mind. And also the sweetness for this cake is going to come through bananas. So now we poured it. I just tapped the tin a bit and then topped it up with more chocolates. And also I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees for around 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure that the toothpick comes out clean. It might take time because of banana and chocolate. It might feel a little sticky, but that's okay. So now my cake is ready. I let it cool for some time and there you can see how beautiful it has turned out. It's super soft. It tastes amazing. So you have to don't forget to like, share and follow my channel if you want more such recipes. Now I'm going to slice it and don't forget to watch the next continuity of this video to see the taste test of how I found this cake recipe and how amazing this tastes. This cake actually tastes so good. Like you will not believe that it has no sugar. The banana makes it really sweet. So I would recommend that you have to try and make this recipe as soon as possible.